All right, chat. Hola. Let me get this chat out on Twitter real quick. Uh-oh. There we go. Let me get this out on Twitter. There we go. All right, chat. Good evening, baby. Holy. Chat, we here. My people. My people. Oh, yeah. All right. How we doing? Upstate Futures. Getting her done in Asia. Holy. We got Davina Henry. We got Umera Lee. Gold is not stopping. No, it's not. Star Boy. He's a star boy. Went and dropped 150 points. Holy. Cheddar 007. Hello, Big Frank. Good evening. We got Big Frank in the building. That means y'all better smash the like button or else Big Frank comes to find everybody, bro. Holy. Holy. Y'all better be smashing the like button. G-Man is in the building, baby. What's up? We got Stitch. We got Zimsei. He says, I'm back. Let's go. Holy. Welcome back. Welcome back. We got Chris Trader. What's up? Chat, Asia stream. And we're going to do some giveaways tonight. Holy, I'm feeling like giving away some accounts, chat. I feel like giving away some accounts. Y'all want some accounts tonight? Dude, I'm feeling it. I fly out to Miami tomorrow. So I won't be live tomorrow or Friday. So I feel like we should be doing some giveaways tonight before I leave. What do you think, chat? What do we think about it? I already know what y'all thinking about. I know y'all already down for the giveaways. And for those of you that are new, because we got some new people in here, listen, if you ain't ever attended a duck race here on stream, bro, listen, you're in for it. I'm ready. I'm ready. SpongeBob immediately went through my head just then. And if that's what you were intending for it to do, we're on the same page, Stitch, and you're meant to be here. You know if the event in Miami will be streamed live on YouTube or something, it'd be nice? No, probably not. Probably not. Duck race? Yes, we do we do giveaways here on this channel. And so we do some duck races for a giveaway. Trust me, if you ain't ever attended a duck race, listen, you're in for it. You're in for it. Crying from Europe, holy. I can hear your cry from across the pond here in the US. I can hear you crying, Chris, and I'm sorry, bro. I lend you a shoulder, but my shoulder ain't that long. It's like I can't reach that far. I can't do it. Take a look at gold, chat, because listen, gold is just insane, bro. 5,500s. What is even happening, bro? Dude, gold has a 14-point ATR on the 1 minute, chat. That's crazy. That's insane. Gold is just absolutely insane. And I would love to be part of it. Made 1,400 with 5 micros a little while ago on gold. Holy. Bro, at this point, I'm ready just to full port the personal account and long gold. I really am. I'm ready to just buy it and just forget about it, to be honest with you. Like, it feels like this shit gonna go to 6,000, dude. Like, tonight. Or maybe not tonight, but this week feels like it'll go to 6,000, dude. I mean, we just went from 5,300s today to now up over 5,500s. It could go to 6,000 this week. Ain't no doubt about it. Ain't no doubt in my mind. NASDAQ seems to move big. London session. You notice that? May have to take a little look. Oh, wait, my volume. I don't know why my volume always goes down. There. We turned it up. Volume's up. Your buddy made 8K today. Holy. Miss K is in the building. What's up? What's up, Miss K? Sounds better. Yeah. I don't know why my volume was down so much, but that should be better. We should be sounding good, sounding crisp, looking good. Ads, G-Man. Dude, listen. Hold on. I got you, bro. I swear, dude, G-Man's gonna fucking shoot me over these ads, dude. Holy hair, it's fixed. G-Man's literally gonna just like show up at my house and beat me up over these ads. So what is in April? Trading futures will be available 24/7. Is that true? I mean, from what I can tell, there's going to be 24/7 trading. That's what it seems like. That's the word on the street. You know what I mean? That is the word on the street. Don't want to see gold break 512 in order to continue to go up. Well, I'm just looking for a great entry to long gold. I'm just thinking longs. That's all I want is longs. I want longs, chat. If I can long gold, listen, I'm good. I'm happy. I'm happy. Just give me an insane gold long and we'll be all right. I feel like just shorting the metals is just not even in the conversation right now. It should never be. Until the market says otherwise. Shorting the markets is just not it. Or shorting the metals market is just not it. Anyways, chat, how'd you guys do today, man? Is everybody nice and green? Everybody have a good FOMC? The FOMC meeting price action was pretty lackluster, huh? Didn't really do a whole lot. I guess that's to be expected when you know what's coming, and we also had some big earnings after the bell. So the market was probably just kind of waiting on that. But FOMC price action, it's pretty whack, chat. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty whack. It definitely was not like not the best. No trades today, very meh. Yeah, I feel that. I really do. I really do feel that. Wasn't good. I didn't even touch my personal account, chat, just to show you guys for transparency's sake. How are you green for 42 days? I was literally just about to pull up my TradeZilla just to show you. How am I green for 42 days? Well, just to show you, this is my personal account on my TradeZilla. Can't edit this shit, right? Just refresh it, right? Little refresh here. There you go. Personal account, December, November, all right? And this is January. 42 trading days, green. How, and you ask, how am I green for 42 days? Oh yeah, what I was gonna show you is no trades, like you see on here on the 28th, no trades. Did not trade my personal account today. Won't be trading it tomorrow or Friday. To be honest, I won't even be trading it on Monday because I'll be flying back. I'll be in Miami Thursday through Monday, so I won't be trading my personal account through then. And today I didn't take any trades in it just because the price action was so this dog shit that it wasn't worth trading. So yeah. But anyways, how are you green for 42 days? It's, I would say my green streak has come from a mix of not trading every day, not feeling the need to trade every day, but also too, if you look at my quantity of trades, it's not very high. 3 trades, 5 trades. The days that you see 6 trades or like 5 trades are days where I traded a New York session, but then also a traded Asia session. So it combines it in that exact same day. But I don't take very many trades a session. I try to stick to like two trades, right, if I can. So it's a mix of a few things. I mean, it's patience, not trading every day because I don't have to, and taking a very minimum amount of trades, taking what the market gives me and bouncing. That's the formula, chat. It really is. I mean, I follow my strategy. Like I have a strategies that I follow, but to be honest, I think my biggest advantage that I've had in the market right now is not trading every day, not slamming on a number of trades. Is that a live account? Never seen that live account before. Yes, this is my own. That is my own personal live account, money that I funded myself. It's not prop firm accounts. It's money from my own personal futures account. Mike says, don't forget to hit that like button, chat. Y'all heard it here first, baby. Holy, smash that like button. We do got some giveaways to do it for y'all. I got some giveaways, man. I really do. I got some accounts. All right. I'm going to give you guys free accounts. Y'all got to compete for it. But you should be hitting the like button, chat. You know what I mean? We should be hitting the like button. Big Frank said that too. Let's go, everybody. Hit the like button. That's what I'm saying, bro. Stitch, it says, let's go hit that like button. Everybody hitting the like button, baby. That's what I like to see. Did you hear about the TRADEIFY today halting demo accounts? Yes. Well, I know that there was a TRADEIFY issue today. I don't know if they like halted. I don't know. I don't really know the whole story. I know TRADEIFY had issues today. That's really the extent that I know. But I do know like there's some prop firms that are making it right for people that were affected by it. So what I like about TRADEIFY too is like if you were red during that, and I think other firms are doing it too, but TRADEIFY, if you were red during that issue, they are going to remove your red, but if you were green, they're going to allow you to keep it. So pretty dope. Issues is an understatement. I didn't really see any of it. I don't know. It didn't affect live accounts, only props were affected. I see. Well, do I do Asia sessions every day? We're testing it out. We're seeing, bro. I like Asia streams. Just kind of getting a feel for you guys. If you guys like Asia sessions and Asia streams, listen, I'm here for it. There obviously won't be any, like, this will be the last one this week because I'll be flying to Miami tomorrow. But, you know. But if we get a good response from having Asia streams, I'm down to do more of them. What a morning, so dizzy from the swings. Was it a crazy? I didn't even really look at the. Hold on. Let's look. Ah, yeah. I mean, it wasn't really anything crazy on NQ. I mean, we honestly just sold off a little bit and then just ranged until FOMC. Or well, FOMC didn't really have any price with it. This was earnings. Earnings saw a lot of movement, but NQ was pretty lackluster pretty much the whole day. I mean, we had, let's see, our high was what, 305, and I mean, we sold 200 points from that, which honestly isn't really that much from high to low of day. So, I mean, it's a pretty lackluster day in my opinion. You meeting with Kane? He's in Miami too. I think I'll see him there. I'll probably see a lot of people. I'll be at the Miami Heat game as well. So, and I know there's a lot of people going to it. Referring to your morning. Oh, okay, I see. I see. All right, let's go back to gold here because I want to be paying attention. I want to be paying attention. What gold got going on? Because listen, if I can get a nice little long ski on gold, that's the plan. That's what we want to do, baby. CDM, the link to my Discord's in the description of this video. But I can also just post it in chat here for all you guys. So let me just do that. Hold on. If y'all wanna hop in, you know what I mean? Come join an incredible community of people that has zero drama and everybody here are all traders and want to just grow and make some freaking money. This server is a server to be in. I don't sell you anything. I have nothing to sell you. I don't have a coaching program. I don't have a course. And yet I make money as a trader. Kind of weird, huh? A trader that makes money that doesn't have a course or a mentorship. It's pretty wild, chat. There's a link to my Discord. You're crazy if you take more than three to four micros on gold. I am probably crazy then because I like to sling a mini. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like slinging minis on gold. In prop firm accounts, I do. My personal account, I wouldn't sling a mini on gold. But in prop firm accounts, I'll sling a mini. I got some 150Ks. That I'll sling a mini on for gold. Tell me you even have a free course material? Yeah, I do actually on YouTube. I have a whole 2-hour video that's just a free entire for an A to Z free course that's from the mentality of trading, the psychological part, the emotional capital part, to reading the charts and a couple strategy videos. So I got some free stuff that is literally all you need, chat. For real. Things that people charge like thousands of dollars for, I literally have in a 2-hour video that you can just sit and watch. I don't think, to be honest though, I don't think I'll ever have a coaching program again. Like I did it one time for like 3 months. I did it once. I wanted to try it. I wanted to see how it'd go. We had some people with some good results, but it's just not for me, dude. Like I don't want to. I don't know that I want to do a coaching program. Maybe I try it in like the future or something again. But yeah, I don't think you guys realize like when you get a bunch of people in a coaching program, it's like you have to identify everybody as their own individual trader. Like you can't create one plan fits all because it's not going to work. And that's what a lot of people do. A lot of coaching programs, a lot of courses, it's a one size fits all type thing. And it never works because everybody's so different. Everybody has their own mental capital, their emotional capital. And it's like those courses and coaches that have the one size fits all, they're not doing you any good, right? As a coach or a mentor. Like you really have to hone in on who each individual person is as a person and as a trader. They have their own emotional capital, their own mental capital. You have to develop and strategize plans specifically for them, right? And then you do that for a bunch of people, and it gets a lot, dude. It gets to be a lot, and so you have to. I just don't know, man. I just don't know. I don't know. I'd rather just like put out a bunch of free shit and then you guys be able to take that information and apply it to yourself in your trading. Gold here trying to move up back to VWAP at 533. Holy. $533 VWAP, gold trying to move all the way back up above VWAP there. The ATR is dropping a little bit on gold. It was the ATR in the 1 minute chat was at 14. That's crazy for a 1 minute candle on gold. 14 points on 1 minute. Sheesh. Now it's down to 9. It's pretty wild, dude. It's pretty wild. Gold's a little risky. What's silver doing? Hold on, let's take a look at silver. Crazy moves on gold for real, dude. It really is. It is insane. Silver is trading 117, which is also crazy. The fact that we got all the way up to 119s on silver is just insane. Silver all-time high is 119. That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. What level are you looking at on gold to retrace for an entry? New here, so don't know what my exact strategy. Yeah, good question. So if I go to the 15-minute, gold already kind of tapped into a level, honestly. I mean, this pullback down to these 81s here, that was kind of a great pullback. At this point now, I would want to see a deeper pullback. I don't know if I'm going to get it, but if I could get a deeper pullback down to like, I don't know, like 70s, bro, that would be good, but I don't know that I'm going to get that. Gold's just way too bullish, so we might just pop VWAP here and absolutely just run. At that point, maybe I look for longs above VWAP. Maybe I'll catch a retest or something and can catch a continuation play on gold. That will probably, I feel like that's more likely at this point. So just something I'm watching for. As far as like Asia session goes, fam, my main strategy is IB, right? It's an initial balance. And that's what I trade during the New York session, right? But I don't trade IB during Asia session. So a lot of my trades have in the Asia session, they have a little more discretion involved than my big systemized strategy, I would say. So there's a little more discretion involved during Asia with me, but I would say like during New York, if I catch a good IB play, I'm happy. Market Maker Mario's in a building. What's up? You trade IB during Asia session? Nice. I just haven't really, for me personally, like I haven't really tested it a whole lot during Asia. I love IB intervals. You got me into it. Nice. Let's go. IB is so powerful, man. It really is. It is a very powerful strategy. That's why it's been around for so long, chat. IB dates back. I wonder if, actually, you know what? I wonder if ChatGPT can tell me when IB. Hold on, let's try to find out. We're gonna try to find it out, chat. Hold on. Yeah, so IB was developed in the early to mid 1980s. That's when initial balance was developed, was in the 80s. That's crazy. So you know when a strategy has been around that long, chat, it probably works. You know what I mean? It probably works. And Discord is telling me to claim account, but I'm already registered. I have no idea. You may have to verify yourself because it helps me like block out scammers and shit. Look at gold getting a push here. Holy. Gold getting a big push ski. Big push ski, chat. That was the long, dude. Maybe we find it. Maybe we can catch a pullback to take a stab long. You got it, Matthew. Maybe we can get a stab long on a pullback here if gold will give it to us. But man, like when gold starts ripping, chat, gold starts ripping. There ain't no slowing it down. Gold don't slow down, bro. It's the moment we get going, pew, it's go time, baby. It's go time. Holy. Also, chat, I don't know if y'all have ever had like 7 Brew. Like if y'all know what 7 Brew is, a coffee place. My wife loves it, by the way. And so today or tonight before my stream, I took her to get some 7 Brew because she wanted some coffee. And we pull up. I don't know. Look, I'm gonna get something like I drink hot coffee. G-man, shut your face. All right. I drink hot coffee, and I'm in the line, and I'm asking this dude. I'm like, "What you got, bro? Talk to me. Like, what you got for me? All right. What should I get that's hot?" And he goes, "We got this roasted, or we get this Blondie roasted marshmallow." In my head, I'm thinking, like, what the fuck is a Blondie roasted marshmallow, chat? Like, that's some serious white girl shit. You know what I mean? Like, am I crazy? That's some serious white girl shit. Can we all be on the same page here? So I'm thinking, I don't want it because that's some serious white girl shit. So I'm just like, all right, what else you got? Let me pull up a menu. Didn't know what I wanted, so I said, fuck it. Give me the Blondie. I said, give me the Blondie. Hot, please. I want it hot. So this evening, I had me a hot Blondie, all right? Holy. You can't make it up, chat. Is FEG included in IB? No, I don't. I mean, I guess you could. You could. I don't personally do it, but you could include it. How was it? I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty tasty. It wasn't bad, Chad. It wasn't bad. It was pretty good. I liked it. I enjoyed it. Poor Miss J has to put up with me. Yeah, listen, she puts up with a lot. She puts up with a lot. He had 2 hot blondies in the car. Technically, my wife's a brunette. Now, if I had hair, chat, I'm bald as shit, right? But if I had hair, I'm a natural blonde, chat. I really am. I'm a natural blonde. Believe it or not, bro. Blonde hair. Used to have really nice hair, and then it decided that it didn't want to stick around anymore. Something happened. I don't know. Had a midlife crisis and bounced. But I used to be a blonde. Really did. Blonde hair, blue eyes. And now I'm bald, blue eyes. That's the thing too, chat, is you would never have got, like, if you saw me in high school, bro, you would have never thought I'd go bald. Ever. Ever. I had the thickest of thick hair, dog. Thick. I mean, real thick. THIC thick, chat. You would have never thought. And then 25 hit, and bam, gone. What platform are you using to trade? TradingView. TradingView. So you were a pretty boy in high school? Yes, I was. Technically, I was. Describe your strategy in 1 sentence. Damn, that's a good one. Okay. I trade initial balance high and low and look for failures on a 30-minute time frame. Bang, bang. There you go. Can you explain the rollover situation? I'm confused by all of it. What do you mean? Explain the rollover situation. All contracts have an expiration date. If you go out to, I think the CME, they have it on their website. If you look for rollover, they have when contracts roll and not and whatnot. But every contract has an expiration date. How old am I? 35. I'll be 36 in March. Would you recommend TradingView better than TradeIfy? It's personal preference. I personally like both. I use TradeIfy and I also use TradingView. But the reason why I'm using TradingView is because I'm copy trading, right? And I use TradeSyncer for copy trading, and I don't have to like do groups in TradeIfy, right? I can just use TradeSyncer, link it to my TradingView, log into one account, take a trade in one account, and copies it to all the other accounts. And so I like that about TradeSyncer, and that's why I use TradingView. But I like the visual appeal of TradingView as well. So yeah. But both TradingView and TradeIfy are solid platforms. You were sure I was under 30? I'll take that as a compliment, baby. Holy. I'll take it as a compliment. He said one sentence. You say like 5. I did not. Chat, did I say 5 sentences or did I put it in one? Chat, I need y'all's help on that one. Mr. Starboy's calling me out here. Miss K, I'm not old as fuck. Shut your mouth. Chat, I'm pretty sure I answered it in one sentence. Ong status has been achieved. Chat, fuck y'all, dude. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna tolerate it, bro. It's nighttime, all right? I deal with y'all shit enough in the mornings. Simon says I asked for one sentence and he confirms it is one. There we go. See? Bang, bang. Boom, boom, Starboy. Most people can't answer their teller strategy at once, and it's going to be like, I look for a crossover of the 90 MA to a convergence of a divergence of a simvergence to a limvergence to a crossover of the VWAP to the Bollinger Band 3, and I'll look for the FVG to the IVG crossover to the 10 SMA, and yeah. And those people, their charts look like roadmaps. How's that again? Thoughts on Thinkorswim? I use Thinkorswim for like swing trading. I use it for more so for stocks and shares and things like that. I don't use it for futures. Yeah. But as far as the platform goes, it's a great platform. I think they have different, if you want to trade futures, I think they have different margins over there. So you got to be careful about the margins. I think they're a lot higher. A lot higher. I've charted on TradingView for over 8 years now, but prefer to execute on the native platforms. Yeah, I mean, that's fair. That's fair. Some people do. I mean, you're cutting out the middle guy, so to speak, you know? IB was life-changing. Keeping it simple. Absolutely. Initial balance, bro. Dude, it's so underrated. Oh, wait, did we get a pullback? Oh, wait, no, this is silver. What's gold doing? Where's gold? Why is my gold gone? MGC. Micro gold. Yeah, we did get a pullback. While we were talking, didn't realize we got a pullback. What else? Things are settling on NQ. I'm done for the day. Nice. Nice. Says I can't send a message in your Discord. Did you verify yourself? He didn't know the natives had platforms. I used to overcomplicate my strategy, and I'll tell you this, I removed half the shit I was told I needed to learn. I've been way more successful in trading. Dude, 100%. Listen, y'all don't need a whole bunch of shit on your charts to trade futures effectively. Like, keeping it simple is literally the most profitable thing you could do, right? It's super bullish. Keeping it simple is super bullish, chat. Remember that. You don't need a whole lot of shit. Your chart doesn't need to look like a roadmap. You just need like just simple strategy that works for you, that you know that you can make happen when you come to the computer and do your job, and keeping it simple. That's it, baby. That's all you need. That's all you need. You're new to Discord, still learning how to use it. I see. You might have to verify yourself in the server. Hey Joe, do you copy trade prop accounts with your personal? Yes, I do. I used to not, but now I do. So I use TradeSyncer. And now I have 150K accounts with TRADEIFY, and so I'm not afraid to trade a mini on the 150Ks. So I use my my personal account as a leader on the accounts, and anything that I place in my personal account will just get sent over to all my prop accounts. And I usually set the ratios to be all even. That way, if I scale in, scale out, whatever, it's all the same number of contracts across all accounts. But yeah, I use my personal to then take trades and copy them over to prop. Let's be honest, Joey streams at night because he don't have a friend to hang out with. No, you're actually, that's facts. I can't even, I'm not even gonna argue that. I'm not. I got one friend. I'm not even gonna argue that, bro. I have no argument. I mean, what do you want me to say? You want me to sit here and say I got fucking friends? No, I ain't got no friends. I got none. Nobody likes me. I got no friends, bro. None. Nobody that I want to hang out with. You know what I mean? How do I verify in your Discord? There should be, it should have prompted you to do it. I'm not really sure. There's a little verify thing, right? If you see like a little, do you see anything that says verify in there? You'd love to join me on my live one day? Maybe. I don't know. Do you stream? Are you a streamer? I actually thought about bringing guests on. I don't know. Something I've actually thought about. I'll link at the top. Wait, what? What do you suggest is a good amount to start your personal account with? A lot of people have mixed feelings on that, right? A lot of people say, you know, start with only like a few grand, start with $5 grand, this and that. I have a different opinion. I think you should start minimum 10K. And the reason for that is you don't want to feel the pressure of you getting too close to losing your account, right? Because if you feel that pressure and you say like you open the account with, you know, $5 grand and you go on a losing streak, like pretty much immediately, you're going to feel the pressure of basically getting close to losing the account, right? And you don't want to feel that. So I always say I would start with at least 10 grand. That way you're like, you know what? If I go on a losing streak, I'm not as close to losing it. You have a little bit of wiggle room to get it back, but that also means you have to trade small. So I recommend 10K, but a lot of people have different opinions on that. It says link is expired. Chat in the pinned comment. Wait, what? Huh? What link, CDM? Would I recommend getting a Top Step funded account? To be honest, no, I don't. Don't get me wrong, chat. Top Steps and OG in the prop firm space, I personally don't like them. It's my opinion. You can do what you want with it. I personally don't like them. But that doesn't mean that they're not good for you. Joey, when you back to streaming NY Open? Next week. So I leave tomorrow, chat. I go to Miami tomorrow, so I'll be gone. Look at gold bouncing here, bro. Y'all got me talking and got me missing my long here. I blame you, chat. I leave tomorrow to go to Miami, and I'll be in Miami until Monday, and then I come back Monday, and then Tuesday is when I'll be back on the New York Open consistently. Oh, speaking of that, chat, here's the cool part about this. So a lot of you guys know I now have a daily segment on TRADEIFY. I have an hour long segment 4 days a week there now. So it was only on Tuesdays, but now I'm there Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and it's from 10:30 to 11:30 Central Time. So with me having a daily segment at that time frame, that's going to allow me to stream the New York Open on my channel super consistently. Like, I'm very pumped to have that because I haven't had a consistent schedule. I feel like kind of all over the place between TRADEIFY streams and Ninja Traders, being on Ninja Trader streams and this and that, right? But now I'm going to have my own like morning stream that I can do consistently every single day on my channel, which I'm super pumped for. So there's that. Click to verify my email. It says link is expired. All right, you're gonna make me hop in Discord here. Hang on. Let me take a look. Chat, anybody else new in Discord that had the same issue? If you're not in Discord, hop in Discord, see if you have the same issue. I don't know. If you do, if there is an issue, I gotta fix it. But there shouldn't be. Shouldn't be an issue. You can't join using the... I just got into the Discord, no issues at all. And were able to verify yourself? I mean, then, okay. What do you mean can't join the link using the link? The link I posted in the pinned comment? Chat, y'all are making me think something's wrong with my Discord. What are y'all doing to me, bro? What are y'all doing to me? Is something wrong with my Discord? Link at the top worked. Bang, bang. All right. Bang, bang. Hey, Gringo Loco. Got you, bro. Thank you. I'll repost the invite link here. Hold on. I can repost it. Edit invite link. Expire never. Number of uses on no limit. Generate. Bang. All right, here. I'll repost the link and pin it. You got it? Okay, sick. There we go. There we go. CDM is in, baby. Holy. You'll love to see it. Serenity. I got you. Gold about to fly. Dude, I know. And I'm not in it. And I'm like super upset about it, actually. Gold it just looks like it wants to go. Chat's hot as shit in my office. Hold on. Woo. We got to get some airflow in here, chat. Holy, it's hot. About to die. All right, are we going to get an entry on gold? That's the thing, bro. Are we going to get an entry on gold? What's the hour segment called and what time is it? I think the hour segment on TRADEIFY is called Midday Markets. And it's 10:30 to 11:30. That I'll be on there 4 days a week. For TRADEIFY. Gold is about to rip freaking face, bro. I just know it. I just know it, chat. It really is. That is Central Time. That is Central Time. I would love to find an entry on gold, chat. Like, I really want one. I really, really do. Real bad. I'm fiending for a gold entry. Let me log in a trade syncer and make sure all my shit's connected. I guess I should do that before I take a trade on chat. Make sure everything's all set up before I take a trade. There's nothing, chat. There's nothing more annoying than taking an absolute banger trade where you make a shit ton of money and then trade syncer's not set up and none of it copied over to your other accounts. Bro, there is nothing more annoying than that. Holy. Just buy and close your eyes. That's facts. Yeah, because I mean, gold just isn't. It just rips. That's all gold does, is just rip your face off. I mean, but yeah, we'll look for an entry here. Chat, if you are new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. We're live every single day. We're starting to get more Asia streams going. I'm getting a lot of good feedback about the Asia streams, so we might have to do more of these. I personally enjoy them, so we might do more Asia streams. But we are live in the New York Open as well. So be sure to catch that, catch us live, hit that subscribe button, join the fam. Probably one of the better communities I would say out there as far as traders wanting to learn and trade and make money. I would say that's probably one of the better communities because there is no drama here. Like literally, if you hop in Discord, we have no drama, right? It's just people that want to make money, trade, get good at trading, and just make some freaking money. That's all we want to do, right? I don't have any, and plus I don't have anything to sell you, so I'm not going to sell you anything. I have no course or mentorship. So you're literally joining a community of traders that just want to make money. So I truthfully believe that we have probably one of the best communities. Although we are smaller than most, we are growing. I personally believe we have one of the better communities in that regard. All right, Amir, have a good one. Have a good one. Gold's about ready to go, chat. Really is. We'll try to join Discord again a little later. All right. Sounds good. Hope to see you there. Hope to see you there. A while back when I was on Top Step, let's see. I made 7K and then realized I was on their paper trading account and not my sim. Bro, I've done that. I have 100% done that. Yep, I've done it. I remember the times that I've done it. Been there, done that, baby. All right, gold. Holy. Gold coming down below VWAP here. I want a long entry. Give me long entry. Silver keeps bouncing off VWAP. I'm terrified of silver. I really am. I'm terrified of it. All right, let's see what happens in gold here. See if we can find a long entry. Because I do want it. I want it real bad. Along down here, like in the, dude, even if I got like 480s, that would be beautiful. I don't think I'm going to get that far, but even a retest of like 500, I'm not opposed to longing. If we got like a retest of 500, chat, that'd be beautiful. BEA, beautiful. Long at 490s, maybe. I don't know. We'll see if we get there. We'll see if we get there. But that would be a beautiful thing. Chat, as a reminder, we are doing a giveaway tonight. We'll do a couple of giveaways. I got some accounts to give away, man. So I'm gonna hook you guys up. Of course, you gotta compete for it. So if you've never attended a giveaway here on this stream, you are in for an absolute treat because we do banger giveaways. If you have never attended a duck race, you're in the right spot. A lot of other people do giveaways with duck races, but nobody matches the energy that we have, chat. Nobody matches the duck race energy that we got. We're the best ones to ever do it, baby. I promise you that. All right, can we get, let's see this pullback on gold here, see if we can get an entry. I don't mind taking a gold long ski. All right, G-Man. Still waiting to see what a duck race is. You'll see, just wait. It'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. Speaking of chat, when we do the duck race giveaways, you do have to be in Discord, just as an FYI, because you have to post a Discord in, or post the keyword in Discord. So if you're not in Discord, just go ahead and hop in. You can just do it for the giveaway if you want, but you do have to be in there. We're not doing the giveaway right now. Like we'll do one here in a minute, and then we'll do another one, or we might just do both of them a little bit later. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna do like 2 giveaways though, for some TRADEIFY accounts. We're gonna do them, no doubt about it. All right, let's see if we can get a deeper pullback here on gold. I would love to get, like, dude, maybe even we run this here and just get down like the 79 and take a long from there. That would be honestly beautiful if I can get that. I just don't know if gold's gonna have enough juice to get me down there. $63 watching and only 37 likes. Yeah, chat, where are the likes at, bro? Huh? Trying to give you guys free accounts. If Big Frank was in here, he'd be yelling at all of you. He'd be yelling at all of you, bro. All right, some sellers still coming in here. We're getting a little retest, possibly a 500. Can we get 480s, bro? 480s or 470s? I want to see a nice little, just nice move here. I want to see a nice move down, catch the longs reverse. I want it real bad. The one thing we got to be careful on is if we do sweep this and decide to take the longs, we got to watch out for a full retracement, because that's one thing we don't want to get caught in. If we do, we'll kill our trade quick. But that's one thing we'll watch for. What we'll do is we'll load 4 micros to get ready to send here. If we can get this move a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. The ATR on gold is back up though. We have a 12-point ATR in 1 minute on the 1 minute time frame. That's, I mean, gold's volatile, chat. It's pretty volatile right now. Pretty volatile. Nice, Trunk. See if right now gold moving back up to 505. Again, I want to see that come down a little bit. Want to see it come down a little bit, chat. Just a little bit. See how gold is feeling here at the 500s. Nice retest of 500. I'm going to place a limit, chat. We will see if this gets filled. If we can get that filled, chat, I'd be pretty happy. I mean, I can even move this up a little bit too. Maybe like 72s. CS72s want to get filled there. I think at that point, like, that's a pretty low risk trade, in my opinion. Pretty low risk. I mean, we're catching a good good entry. My risk parameters are not bad. I feel like it's pretty good risk there. We just got to be careful of this thing like really wanting to jet down. So if it does start jetting down and will act like it wants to retrace it, we'll have our finger on the trigger ready to kill it. But we're gonna keep it there. See if we can get it filled. Still hovering these 500s here. Hovering the 5 hundos. Get a break of 500s. Be nice. I think if we can break 500s and get below like these 90s, I have a pretty high confidence that this order will get filled. It's just, I think pushing below these 500s is going to be key here, because we are still trying to hold these fives. Also, chat, I also want to say this too. If you guys are fans of Bookmap, G-Man, his name's Genuine Status in the comments there. He streams Bookmap in my Discord pretty much every night. So if you guys want to watch Bookmap for free, for like the gold and just the metals or anything really, G-Man streams it in my Discord. So just as a little FYI there, if you ever trade an Asia session and you want to watch the order book, G-Man has it up pretty much every single night, and it is in there for hours, bro. Hours. You ever notice that in Asia there's a little bit of a reverse correlation between equities and gold? Is there? I'd have to take a look. All right, here we go. Getting a little bit more of a move down here on gold. All right, let's see if this order gets filled. We got to pop this, come down. We should get filled here. All right. We're in. Up nice already, bro. Look at this. Look at this trade, bro. I mean, just an absolute bottom tick entry. See if this thing continues to run. There you go. See if it continues to go. Get a nice move up here. Nice move up here. Holy chat, let's go. There we go. Boom. We'll take it off right there. For a quick 1,000 chat. How about that, huh? What a sniper entry, bro. Holy. We took literally 0 drawdown on that, bro. Literally none. Sheesh. That deserves a giveaway. Holy. I mean, it tapped me into the absolute tick, bro. To the absolute tick. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. What an entry. Code word should be sniper. Maybe. Maybe. You got it Tuesday. Is that a typical trade for me? Not that perfectly. I mean, this was something we were watching for because we had key levels here, right? Key level here with a nice bit of consolidation at the bottom of it. So that's why, that's really what I was looking for. But I wouldn't say like I take perfect entries like that. I don't take perfect entries like that every time. It was a good level to look at, but the bottom tick that doesn't never really happen like that, bro. Just again, the level made sense for me. Just back to the take quick long. Dude, Mario, you missed it, bro. I did. I had a literally an entry at like 72, and it tapped me into the very tick and ripped. Those are the dopamine trades where you want it to run to a new high right after. Yeah. That is facts. That is facts. Had it at 73. Only micros got 400. Nice. Yeah, nice. We went in for 4 micros and got like 1,000 off of it. Brain is off. Still took the trade. Nice. Hey, at least you still got it. At least you still got it. 2 for 2, Joey. 2 for 2 on Aegis sessions. Yeah, so far we're 2 for 2 on banger trades. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, baby. How again do we get in the duck race? So here in a little while, I'll give you guys a keyword. You got to be in Discord. So if you're not in Discord, link in the pinned comment there, and you will type the keyword in the stream giveaway channel that I give you. So there in Discord, there's a channel called Stream Giveaway, and you guys will type it in there. That's a sweep trade you taught a while back. I use it a lot. Yep, that is literally the sweep trade that I taught. That is literally textbook of that, 100%. It is literally textbook sweep. Well, chat, if you guys want to know more about the trade I just took, there is a video on it on my YouTube channel. I forget what I named it, but here, let me see. Actually, you know what? I think it's in the masterclass playlist. Let's see. Yeah, chat. If you go on if you want to see that strategy, the sweep strategy, if you go on my YouTube channel, there's a playlist on my channel. It'll be under masterclasses. If you go into the masterclass playlist, it'll be, let's see. It'll be how to identify important liquidity levels in futures. That's what it's called. So if you want to learn more about that strategy, that video is in the playlist called How to Identify Important Liquidity Levels in Futures. Bang, bang. Chat, what a banger trade, dude. Holy, like those get you a little bit excited. Like I usually don't get like, you know, over the top about trades, but when you like set a limit order and like if it just bottom ticks you and it's just an absolute perfect trade, like it's fun to celebrate those, you know what I mean? Like recognize your wins, bro, you know? Recognize your wins. Is this gold? Yeah, that was gold. Do you have a trade in right now? No, I exited my trade that I just took. Probably the best trade I've ever seen, 0 drawdown. I mean, that was, yeah. I mean, it don't get better than that. Gringo Loco says I'm the liquidity. Holy, hell no, you just can't do it. Gringo, you gotta change that, brother. Holy. Didn't realize I was on my personal. Thought it was my fun and happy. Oh, wow. So you took that on your personal? Nice. I mean, hey, listen. Money's money, baby. It's in the personal. It's real. It's real money. Not able to see a trade setup? Right now, there's not one. I think the trade setup was the trade that we took. But right now, there definitely is not a setup, in my opinion. Because right now, we're coming up on VWAP here. VWAP's at 531. We're coming right back up into VWAP here. So what trade did I take? We took a long right here. I had a limit order set at 72 right there, and it tapped me in. Pretty much gave me a little tap and then reversed. And we caught the long there. How accurate is Trade Syncer with the fills on copy trades? Pretty dang accurate, in my opinion. I mean, I've been using it for a little bit now, and I haven't had any issues. I haven't had any issues. You can't talk shit for tonight? What do you mean, bro? Did you come in here planning on talking shit? Which plan do I recommend? So I mean, there's a lot around that. What kind of trader are you? Are you an aggressive trader? Do you like to trade size, or are you patient and can trade small and be happy with it? All right. If you're the latter, if you're a small, I guess you like to trade small, you're more patient and can build an account over time, I would say your quickest route to payout would be a 50K account with TRADEIFY. If you are a more aggressive trader, you can sling size and feel good and confident and not get overly emotional. I would 100% go 150Ks. So it kind of just depends on who you are as a trader. And a long on EQ looks exactly like the last trade on gold. Nice. I mean, I can't be coherent. Mario, I'm sorry, bro. I don't know what you on right now. What you on, Mario? Long day kids drove you nuts, holy. On average, how long does it take to pass a 150K challenge? I would say it does depend, right? It depends on if I go on a losing streak or if I go on a winning streak. I would say, if anything, like if I trade how I normally trade and I trade well, Now I will say that I trade evaluation accounts aggressively. I trade with size on evals. So like 5 days, maybe a week, factoring in maybe a red day or so. Trade a full silver, pass or fail one shot. Holy, yes, that's facts. That is true. Super Mario to be your first guest. Holy, dude, I would love to have Mario on stream. Market Maker Mario, bro. We gotta make that happen. I'm gonna need you to come on stream with me. We can talk Spanish to each other. You can help me practice my Spanish. Mario and G-Man, bro. I need G-Man on here too. Probably talk shit on stream. Bro, if I can get Mario and G-Man on stream, bro, that would be, I think that would be one hell of a stream. I really think it would be. I think that would be one hell of a stream, chat. If I got G-Man and Mario all on the same stream with me, there might be some off the wall shit said. I mean, I don't know. He's from around the way. Oh, I know. I mean, they're both from New York, chat. I mean, I don't know if I got them both on stream with me, I feel like it would be quite entertaining. Mario says I can't control my hood. Look at Gold, bro, just blasting above VWAP here. Gold. Oh wow, why am I drawing lines? Okay. Gold is blasting above VWAP. We're gonna have to do more Asia streams, chat. I do really enjoy these Asia streams. It's kind of a chill vibe, you know? It's kind of a chill vibe. How did I know where to place my buy limit order? I mean, there wasn't really like it was more so of like the level that I saw, right? I mean, a couple of things. Like you get a sweep of this, right? We have a consolidation here. All right. So a sweep of that with consolidation, you draw a line over, you get like 73, 72. That's really it. And so that's why I placed my limit order where I did. But that's not to say like I didn't know it was gonna like tap me into the tick. I didn't know it was gonna be a perfect entry, right? I liked the area, and so that's why I place it there. Again, like I have that whole strategy on my YouTube channel. If you go under my YouTube channel and go to under playlists and masterclasses, the masterclass playlist, it'll be in there. It's under what was it, chat? How to identify key liquidity levels. I think that's what I said. Have I made any losses on this stream so far? No, I've taken one trade, and that was it tonight. It's not exact science, just a range. Exactly. It's just like a range of a key level that we kind of just place a limit order in. If it happens to tap you into the tick, it happens to tap you into the tick. I don't count on it, but that's like, I will say though, chat, and I do mention that in my video, believe it or not, in that masterclass video, or I think in the masterclass video, either that or in another YouTube video, I did say like on this particular strategy, there are times where I do get entries like that. They do happen. So it kind of just depends, but don't expect it, right? Don't expect that to happen, but they can happen. Are you taking another one or are you done for the night? If I see a setup that I like, I'll take it. We got time. So you stream New York session on YouTube generally, but not this Friday and coming Monday. So I do stream the New York session in the mornings here on YouTube. I won't be tomorrow. Pretty much tomorrow through Monday, chat. I will be out because I'll be in Miami. But we'll be back on. I'll be back Monday. I might actually still do an Asia stream on Monday, chat, because I'll be back in time. I'll be back around 5 o'clock my time on Monday. So I still might rip an Asia stream, bro, when I get back. If I don't rip an Asia stream on Monday, it'll be Tuesday morning that I'll be back here live. How come I ended my last trade and didn't hold for longer? Well, a few things. I don't really want to hold too long on gold, especially since we were kind of in a downward trend to start that. I wasn't really comfortable holding it longer, if that makes sense. I'm generally a scalper, but if you think about it too, like, I mean, on gold, we took that at we took the trade at 72, and what did we take it off at, chat? Like 90 something or 500? I mean, we took a 30-point trade almost on gold. That's a lot. Let's see. I'll be tired. Yeah, maybe, but I'm still down to rip a stream. If we'll see, right? I mean, I get back at 5 o'clock. We'll see. How many different strategies have you tried before settling on a current? Many. I've tried many strategies, chat. I really have. Now I've been using the same strategy. My IB strategy I've been using for quite some time. This particular strategy that I just used, I would say like closer to like a year, 6 months to a year, that I've been using the strategy that I just used. But my IB strategy I've been using for years. We've used IB for a long time, chat, long time. But before I settled on IB, I tried many. I've tried, I mean, anything you think of, like SMA, EMA strategies, VWAP strategies. What else? I never really tried ICT. I've used like MACDs and RSIs and things like that. Like I've tried a lot of different things, and nothing really, like, when the moment that I switched to using IB and initial balance, that's when I became profitable. Like that's when I started making money. Was when I started using the initial balance. That was my that was a strategy that turned me. I come from Don Boat. Is he gonna give your vid serious scrutiny? Bring it on. I'm not scared of nobody, bro. Not scared of anyone. Tomorrow equals too much work. Facts. I don't know what Don Boat. I don't know. Never heard of Don Boat. Donvo? Donvo? I don't know. Kenny, what's up? Mean that in a good sense, like really gonna get into your approach. Oh, I see. I thought you were like, I mean, I'm gonna get on YouTube and just rip your videos. I'm like, bring it. Come on with it. No, I feel you. I feel you. Sounds like I'd be for live. I wonder if it will fail with the 24-hour market going forward. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Imagine holding until here. Yeah, I mean, we'd be up like $3 grand. More than that, actually. We'd be up like 5 grand. How do you feel about the DLL on the TRADEIFY select accounts? I don't have a problem with it. Yeah, I really don't have a problem with it. I don't mind daily loss limits just because the way I trade for like evals, I'm either gonna really blow past the buffer or I'm gonna just reset it, right? I trade evals pretty aggressively, but in the funded, they don't have a daily loss limit, right? Yeah, they don't have a daily loss limit in the funded. Or do they? Actually, I don't know. I need to go look. Now you got me. Now you got me wondering. Hold on. Yeah, no. Okay. On the flex account, they don't have a daily loss limit, but on the daily, so okay, if you do the select plans, and you choose the flex payout or flex funded account, there is no daily loss limit. But if you do the daily, there is. But in the evals, let's see. In the evals on the select accounts, there is no daily loss limit. It's just trailing drawdown. Like that's and the drawdown's EOD. So yeah, there is no daily loss limit. Can you still pass the Apex eval after canceling it as long as it's before the monthly renewal? I would think so, because you have until the monthly renewal. So I would say yes. Yeah. You've done it, but you kind of YOLO'd Apex. I feel like most people do. I mean, they're cheap accounts. Where they get you is the PA activation fee. That's where they make their money. They reel you in with the cheap accounts, then make you pay with the activation fee. A PA is 65. That's your PA activation fee. That's not bad if that's true. Their intraday suck. Yeah, that's where it gets a lot of people, bro. It's the intraday trailing drawdown that screws a lot of people. And everybody knows that intraday trailing drawdown is predatory, chat. It is. You've had even prop firm owners come out and say it's predatory, right? It is. It's predatory. They know you're gonna blow it. Intraday trailing drawdown is not good for any trader. You have to be literally a perfect trader. Absolutely perfect. As if trading wasn't hard enough. Facts, bro. As if trading wasn't hard enough. I don't recommend doing any accounts that have the intraday drawdown. It's just not worth it, dude. It really is not worth it. All right, let's see if we get another entry on gold, dude. I'm not afraid to take it long again, bro. If we can get a pullback here, I'm not afraid to go long again gold. Now, we're going to size down. We made a banger trade, so we're not going to try to give it back. So we are going to size down a little bit, but I'm not afraid to go long again if we get a pullback. Smokey Bear Trades comes in here and says, do you like guys? The way I want to answer this question, chat, I don't know if it's appropriate. Chat, are we all adults here? I don't know. We have Mama Bear in the comments too. I don't know if she's going to get mad at me. He says, do you like guys? My answer to that, chat, is I just paid. My answer to that, chat, is I just paid for my wife to get some big old titties, okay? So no, I don't like guys, okay? No. No. Look at gold ripping off that. See that? Literally, we got him last week, chat, okay? So if anybody ever wonders that question, just remember that response, okay? Fresh from the baker. Question is, do guys like you, bro? Chat, why are we unhinged? Is it because it's Asia? Is that it? Is it because it's Asia? More right says proof for it never happened. No, not a chance. Not a chance. Trading after dark. I mean, that's facts. I mean, that's a fair statement. I mean, it is getting to be, you know, in the night, right? So I guess the things that are said here are nightly things, chat. We'll just keep it that way, huh? Chat, be right back. Give me a sec. All right, we back. Rating the liquor cabinet stream. Yeah, I'm with it. I'm with it. I would love to have a margarita right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Well, we didn't get another pullback on gold. It just kept dripping. I was really wanting a VWAP test. If we could have got a VWAP test, I would have taken it along again. Maybe that Smokey Barrett gets a little curious after a couple of drinks. Maybe. Maybe. Gold just kept on ripping though. I'm not getting the entry I wanted. Chat, y'all want to do a giveaway? What do we think, bro? Y'all down? Of course y'all are. I don't even know why I ask you guys anymore. It's the only reason why y'all are here anyways, huh? You just use me for giveaways. Chat, let's do it. Oh gosh, bro. Chat, all right, if you're not in Discord, hop in Discord. Because you got to type the keyword in the stream giveaway channel. So if you're not in there, link in the pinned comment. You'll see a channel in Discord. It's called Stream Giveaway. Let me pull up. Let me see what codes I got. Make sure I don't show the freaking codes on stream like I did that one day, bro. Holy. God dang, dude. All right. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. I got some. We're going to do 100K select account. And we'll do 150K select account. That's what we'll do. So we'll do two accounts. 100K select and 150K select. Chat, you down? All right. Here is the keyword. No, Mario, stop it, dude. Dude, I swear to God, bro. I hate you so much. Chat, I hate you so much, dude. Okay. All right, sniper. Hold on. This is the keyword. Sniper entry. That's the keyword to type in the stream giveaway channel, bro. Look at what you started, dog. Sniper entry. That's the keyword. Type it in Discord. Stream giveaway. Trunk. If you look in Discord, it's above the voice chat channel. It's kind of like up in the top there. All right, let me pull up duck race here. Chat, this is your first time doing a duck race. You're in for a fucking treat, dog. You really are. All right, hold on, let's see. Let me pull up chat GPT, get a clean list of names here. All right. Also, you only have to type it once, chat. Any duplicates are going to be deleted, so only type it once. All right, I'll give you guys a couple more seconds here. Type the keyword, couple more seconds. Just this once won't do it again. You see the 100 tick Gab learn something from me today? I would love to learn something from you, Smokey. There's nothing more that I'd rather do. All right, chat, here we go, bro. I'm grabbing these names. If you have not typed it, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're grabbing the names. All right, here we go. Let me get Duck Race pulled up here. All right, chat. Y'all ready, bro? Is you ready to rumble? Oh, wait a second. Hold on, chat. We got... Wow, a lot of you guys are so late. All right, chat. Here we go. 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 For the 100K, we'll do the 100K first, chat. The 100K select account. May the odds be ever in your favor. Chat, this is where preparation meets opportunity. You know what I mean? This is where preparation meets opportunity. If you haven't prepared, you're not going to seize the opportunity, chat. All right? This is where you got to prepare. You got to be training your duck if you're going to take this home. Okay? Maybe next time, if you didn't prepare, maybe next time you will. All right, chat. 100K select count. GG's, baby. Here we go. Good luck. We got the tail feathers absolutely wagging, baby. I see a tail feather floating in the water. One duck is shedding. Look at Philo Wiz. We got Nifami. We got Frakes. We got Tuxedo Flux. We got Williams, Upstate Futures, Humble Mike. If you don't see your duck, it's probably because it's slow as shit and hanging out in the back, but it may come back. You never know. Humble Mike. We got Key. We got Market Maker Mario. We got Upstate Futures. The tail feathers are absolutely wagging, baby, for a 100K select account. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be, baby? This will be for the 100K select, and then we're gonna do the 150K select next. Look at Simon taking the lead, looking like a straight up scuba diver. Cheddar 007 trying to take the lead. We got Umer. We got Tuxedo Flux. Holy baby, who's it gonna be? Look at Gringo. Gringo hanging out in the middle. It is a clusterfuck of ducks, baby. Holy. Look at, oh wait, who's this? Who's this trying to take the lead? Joyce Fernandez. Joyce Fernandez trying to take the lead, holy. Look at Cal. Cal taking the lead. We got Philo Wiz trying to hold on the lead. We got Nathan looking like, I don't know what, Nathan's balding. It's a balding duck, holy. We got Iram. We got Jeff the unicorn duck, holy. Look at Jeff. Jeffrey, Jeff 83, the unicorn. We got Humble Mike trying to take the lead. Humble Mike looking like George Washington. We got Enzo Trader still trying to hold on to the lead. But who's this? Mac Tech. Mac Tech looking like a straight up pirate or whatever, something. I don't know what the fuck you look like. SV Log. It is an absolute close one, baby. An absolute close one. Who's going to be? Is anybody's duck? Who's going to come up behind is Geo, man. We got BZ. Look at BZ. BZ trying to take the lead. BZ. Holy baby. BZ. BZ, are you here? I need to verify. Are you here, BZ? Once BZ verifies, chat, we will do another one for the 150K select. BZ, are you here? I'm gonna give you like a minute, bro. Oh, BZ, there you are. All right. Hop in Discord. Send me a message. All right, send me a message in Discord, and I will get you the code for a free 100K select account with TRADEIFY. Got to message me in Discord, so be sure to do that. All right, chat, let's do it again. For the 150K, we'll remove winner. All right, chat, this next one's going to be for a 150K select account. Again, preparation meets opportunity, chat. You know what I mean? Preparation meets opportunity. Here we go, baby. 150K select. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Is it essentially random? Yeah, it's all random. It is all random, baby. Look at Key trying to take the lead. We got P Young, we got Dan, we got Zimze Trades, we got Upstate Futures, Tuxedo Flux, Jeff, Iram. Holy. Who's it gonna be, baby? Remember, if you are not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We have 67 people in here. If you're new, welcome to the Duck Races. Welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button to catch the live streams and all the giveaways. Humble Mike trying to take the lead. We got Chris. We got Fila Wiz. Holy Geo Man. We got Enzo Trader. We got Humble Mike. We got... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's this? Frank. Look at Frank. Frank. Trying to take the lead. Mabale. Iram. Look at E. Ramirez. Geo Man. SB King. We got Umer. Guys, if you're spamming sniper entry, don't. You're gonna get banned. Just stop. My Discord bot's gonna ban you. More Rice. We got Fila Wiz. We got P Young. Holy, we got Key. We got Tuxedo Flux. Serenity. Who's it gonna be? It is absolutely anybody's duck, baby. Absolutely anybody's duck. Chris. Chamo, Serenity, P Young. Look at Chamo. Look at Chamo trying to take the lead. Chamo's naked, bro. He has no outfit. It's the naked duck. It is the naked duck, baby. Is it going to be Chamo? Who's going to come up and compete? Who's it going to be? Anybody going to compete with Chamo? You can't. Oh, Chamo, where are you going? Chamo, you're falling off. Uh-oh, baby. Look at Erom. Erom takes it, baby. Erom, are you here? Let me know. Erom, are you around? Erom, I see you. All right, send me a message in Discord. Shoot me a DM. And then I will get you a code for a free 150K select account. GG's, baby. GG's. You got it, Iran. Chat, bro, tonight was fun, dude. Tonight was fun. We had a good stream. Had a banger trade. An absolute banger trade, chat. We're going to call it a night off that. Chat, if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We do this every single day. As a reminder, I will be gone tomorrow through Monday. I'm in Miami. So there won't be another live stream until Monday. When I get back, when we might do an Asia stream. If I don't do the Asia stream on Monday, then we'll be back live again Tuesday next week. So make sure you're subbed to the channel. Make sure you're around. Best community in the space, baby. Holy. Chat, love you guys. Stay beautiful. I will see you guys on Monday next week. You'll make a good commentator for horse racing. Yo, facts, dude. I really think I could. I really think I could do it, chat. I could do it. I might make a career change. I don't know. All right, chat. Boom. See you guys. Peace.